Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into a word that's crucial for understanding how things work, both literally and figuratively: component. So, what exactly is a component? Well, it's a noun, and at a B2 level, we define it as a part of a whole. Think of it as an essential piece that contributes to the overall function or structure of something. It's a building block, a contributing factor, or a key element. Now, let's look at how we use component in everyday language. Imagine you're building a computer. The hard drive, the RAM, the motherboard, the CPU are all essential components of the computer system. If one component fails, the whole system might not work correctly. Similarly, in a team project, each member plays a vital component role contributing to the overall success. It's not just about physical things either. We can talk about the emotional components of a relationship or the key components of a successful marketing strategy. Let's explore some synonyms for component. One good alternative is element. For example, we could say trust is a vital element in any successful relationship, instead of trust is a vital component in any successful relationship. Another synonym is part. We can say, each part of the machine needs to be carefully inspected, instead of each component of the machine needs to be carefully inspected. Another useful synonym is piece. For instance, this is just one piece of a much larger puzzle, just as we can say this is just one component of a much larger puzzle. We also have ingredient. Consider hard work is an essential ingredient for success, which carries the same meaning as hard work is an essential component for success. Finally, consider constituent. Nitrogen is a major constituent of the Earth's atmosphere is similar to saying nitrogen is a major component of the Earth's atmosphere. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms: words with opposite meanings. One antonym for component is whole. While a component is a part, the whole is the complete entity. For example, the car is more than just the sum of its components. It's a functioning whole. Another antonym is entirety. We might say, I read the book in its entirety, which contrasts with focusing on just one component or chapter. We also have aggregate. An aggregate is a collection of things considered as a whole, while a component is a single part of that collection. We can say the data represents the aggregate of all sales figures, while each individual sale represents a component of the overall figure. Furthermore, think about entity. The business as an entity is responsible compared to each department is a component of the business. Lastly, there's bulk. The bulk of the shipment arrived today refers to the main mass, whereas components would be the individual items making up the shipment. Now, let's see how you can use component in your everyday conversations. Imagine you're discussing a recipe. You could say, the main component of this dish is tomatoes. Or perhaps you're talking about a problem at work. Lack of communication is a major component of the team's struggles. You might even use it to describe abstract concepts. Honesty is a crucial component of any healthy relationship. Here are some more usage examples. The software has several components that work together seamlessly. The engine components are manufactured to the highest standards. Understanding the different components of the marketing plan is essential for success. Each component plays a vital role in the overall performance of the machine. This report analyzes the key components of economic growth. The car was disassembled into its individual components for repair. We need to replace a faulty component in the system. The team identified several components that contributed to the project's failure. Training is an important component of employee development. She is a valuable component of the team. In conclusion, component refers to a part of a larger whole. It's related to words like element, part, and piece, but opposite to words like whole, entirety, and aggregate. It's a useful word to describe both tangible objects and abstract ideas. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word component helpful. Now, I have a small request. If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and improve their English skills. And for an extra challenge, create your own sentence using the word component and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time.